Want to learn how to design and carve this Tree of Life platter? I draw and agree a concept with the customer or the client, and then freehand this onto the platter itself. I'll often go back over and change a few pieces. I then deep carve the lines using an extremely aggressive cut-saw burr. This doesn't need to be too neat, it's a quick pass over. Just be careful not to cross the lines on the Celtic knots. As you can see, really rough, and that's absolutely fine at this stage. And now go over it again with a finer cut-saw burr. A little bit slower now, trying not to make mistakes. And just smoothens everything up. Next is sanding. This takes a lot longer than you think it's going to, and it's worth spending the extra time just smoothing all the lines and rounding all the carvings. What I do next is back paint, loads of sanding, and then the finished product. Please like, subscribe below. Any questions you have about my carving, painting, the herbs I use, my Viking axes, just reach out.